quality of the kitchen is excellent. It was the fact that we could go and see the workmen building it if you requested. If you do have a problem and want to change nothing, that's not a problem. The lads couldn't do more, well, everything you asked for you've got.
The whole process was absolutely smooth, no problems at all, ring request, and it was always followed up, no problems at all.
Anything we wanted, we got. Paul said to us that it would make it really attractive to us, and it was. And what we got for our money was a terrific value. We were so pleased we went to Ashgrove. Glad we never went anywhere else.
My friends are absolutely overawed when they come in. They're quite jealous, which is nice. So I recommend Ashgrove to anyone.